Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. There have many friends from all over the world and they asked how to put the battery cell inside the battery pack. It should be the anti-explosion valve to stand up or side away. Different manufacturers of battery cell, they have the different ways. It's recommended when the battery cell assemble, it should be to put the anti-explosion valve to stand up, not to this way side away. No, this is not recommended. However, most of the vertical design of battery pack in the market, they cannot meet this requirement. The design of the battery cell inside the battery pack is stuck like this way, the anti-explosion valve to side away and stuck one by one for the assemble. In this situation, most of the customers, they choose the stackable one battery pack for their application. But compared to the vertical one, the customer will consider that the stackable one is not convenient to move away. Yes, and also we have another design that to add the well on the mantle case, this bottom of the mantle case. And some of the customers, they consider that the pressure is directly to the mantle case. If they stock another battery pack on the top, there will have pressure on the bottom of the battery pack. In this situation, we released out the new version of the stackable one battery pack with the wells and the full frame to contain the pressure. You can see the detailed design of our new version of the battery pack. It's equipped with 4 high-performance wells. Unlike conventional design that simply attach the wells to the mantle case, this product features 4 reinforced structure frame capable of supporting up to 1,000 kilograms. Each frame is fitted with dedicated mounting hole with premium wells, each with a load capacity of 60 kilograms. This design ensures easy and smooth movement while also supporting stackable one stacking. You can put additional 3 battery pack on these batteries to stackable one by one. Now just add additional $10, you will get the upgrade new version with 4 wells. Would you like to enjoy all the convenience for just the price of a cup of coffee? Leave us your message. And recently we have the promotion for the battery pack in our company because the Super September. If you want to 16 kilowatt hour of the battery pack, you can contact with us freely to get the latest quotation. All the battery pack from StarMax made by the brand new grade A+ cells. No matter the 100 ampere hour or 280 ampere hour or 314 ampere hour, it's all from the factory directly with the testing report. If you want to know more details about each quotation or the specification, please contact with us freely. And thank you for you guys watching. See you next video. Bye bye.